AJ Turner with ENVE Composites, and here at Sea Otter this weekend we are demoing our full line of M Series mountain bike wheels. Everything from cross-country wheels to enduro and downhill wheels. So customers can feel new wheel technology and all the benefits of a carbon wheel set and feel a handmade in the US rim. We have a whole new line of mountain bike handlebars that we're showcasing just to match riders' wheels and give them more options. Also introducing new 35mm bars in our enduro line, the M7 series bars, in 3 different rises, and also 35mm clamps or stems here. Just once again giving riders more options to tailor the best possible ride on their bike.